Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Basavarajo. In today's Salesforce CRM tutorial, we are going to learn what is Picklists field dependency, why we use controlling and dependency fields, how to create field dependency step by step in Salesforce, and we will go with live example. So make sure you watch this video till the end because this concept is very important to you. If you are beginner for Salesforce or you are working in a real-time project. So shall we start with what is Picklist field dependency? Picklist field dependency means the value is one picklist field dependent on value selected in another field. There are two types of field. One is controlling field, one is dependent field. We will go with one example, then it will more easier to understand. I will open my accounts objects. I will click on new button. In here, I have two fields. One is department, second one is role. In department, what field you select, based on that field, this field is showing value. So currently I select the sales, so it will showing sales representative, sales executive, account executive like that. If I click on IT, automatically change the value like IT support specialist, help desk technician, system administrator, new administrator like that. If I click on agriculture, it will show like farmer manager, agriculture technician, farmer labor, irrigation specialist like that. So department we call it as controlling field. Roles we call it as dependent field. So what is controlling field then? These fields control which values appear in the dependent field. So it will control which values need to be appear in roles like that. Then what is dependent field? Dependent field means it shows the value based on the controlling field selection. So it will show the values whichever I select in department. So this is, we call it as field dependency. Let's understand this simple example. For example, if I have two fields, one is country, one is state. So in country, whatever the field I select, based on that selected country, that state should be visible. That is, we call it as Picklist field dependency or field dependency. So then how to create? So first we need one requirement. Our requirement is, currently I have an object like projects. So I will open that project object. In this project, I have some project names. So I will click on new. So once I click on new, it will show something like states and districts. So in state, I have some multiple states. So if I click on Delhi, in districts, it will contain other than Delhi's districts. So what I need to do means, so if I select Delhi, in the districts, we need to show only the districts of Delhi. So using field dependency. So then how to do that? First, I will click on gear icon, go to edit object. Go to fields and relationships. In here, we need to select field dependency. So just click on field dependency. Then currently I don't have any field dependency. I will click on new. We need to select the controlling field. So my current controlling field is states. So whatever I select in states, based on that value, dependent field show the values. So in dependent field, I will select districts. Click on continue. So in here, we need to select which values need to be appear when we select Karnataka. In state, I will select Karnataka. I need to show only the district whichever in Karnataka up to Vizianagara. Once you select that, click on include values. So then we need to select values for Delhi. Then select Delhi, central Delhi to. So then select central Delhi to West Delhi. Click on include values. Same for others also. So now I select values for all the state values. So click on save. Once you save, go back to our main object, address response. Now try to create new. So in here, currently the district is unable to select because it will purely dependent on states. If I select Karnataka, in district, you need to select only the districts whichever related in Karnataka. If you click on Delhi, it will show only the district belongs to Delhi. So this is how Picklist dependency works in Salesforce. I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.